Hello student, I am Raki teacher and I welcome you for a new lesson, that is second lesson of subject science, that is microorganism. As we have done with the first lesson and I have provided you with the question answers, everything. So we'll be starting our second lesson, that is microorganism. Student, what is microorganism? You must be confused. Microorganism is what? Where is microorganism and how is microorganism? These all question arises in your mind, right? So let's see, don't be like that. Microorganisms are friends and foe. Friends and foe means what? Friends means हमारे friends और foe means opponent, जो opposite होते हैं, enemy होते हैं. So microorganisms are our friends also and opponents also, enemy also. Let's see how. A short brief explanation I'll give you for the lesson. What are all the things I'm going to explain you in the easiest form for better understanding, means आपको अच्छे से understand हो एकदम easy और easy language में, ताकि आपको कोई आगे confusion ना हो. Let's see just what all the topics हम जो discuss करने वाले हैं. Okay. So first, introduction to microorganism. What is microorganism? As we get introduction, as हम किसी को अगर पहली बार मिलते हैं तो हम एक introduction लेते हैं, right? Introduction करते हैं कि yeah, I'm so and so, how are you, welcome you all. This is the introduction we gives. So हम microorganisms का introduction करेंगे, where they are, right? Next, microbes and humans. जो microbes human के होते बाहर होते हैं, microbes अंदर होते हैं, what all the microorganism, where is the present, वो देखेंगे. Next, harmful microorganism. Harmful means that is dangerous. Harmful microorganism which is very harmful for us, that we will see. Next, friendly microorganism. Friendly microorganism जो friendly होते, as I told you, friends and foes. So friendly microorganism, some microorganisms that those are friendly also, जो अच्छे भी होते हैं, जो हमारे लिए हम खाते, हम जो microorganisms हम कोई बैक्टीरिया करते, जैसे let's take an example of a curd. उसमें हम बैक्टीरिया ऑलरेडी बिल्ड करते हैं ताकि वो अच्छे फ्रेंडली माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म हो. दैट विल डिस्कस. नेक्स्ट, फूड प्रिजर्वेशन. फूड प्रिजर्वेशन मीन्स व्हाट? To provide a shelf life to any food material or food item, to give it shelf life. That is preservatives we put in that. So these things I'm going to explain you. Next, coming to the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fix कैसे होता है? With the nitrogen cycle. Where is nitrogen present? How it fixes it and how it forms against to its original place. That everything I'm going to cover in this entire lesson. So student, as this are all the topics I have written over here, that you just copy down what all the things one by one that I'm going to explain you. This is the everything I have written here. So let's start with the introduction to microorganisms, right? So first of all, what is microorganism? Just have a look around yourself. So you'll be wondering, teacher, इसके आजू बाजू में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So where is the microorganism? Yes, exactly. Microorganisms are present everywhere. Where you're sitting right now, where you're just putting your books, where you have kept your bags and everything, all minute microorganisms are there. छोटे छोटे microorganisms है जो हमें हमारी आँखों से नहीं दिखाई देते हैं, but you can definitely see it under a microscope. सो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो भी बैक्टीरिया होते, फ्रेंडली भी होते और जो हमें हार्मफुल भी होते, दीज आर द थिंग्स. सो आपके आजू बाजू में जो भी है, दैट इज़ अ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. सो दिस इज़ द अबाउट अ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. एंड वेयर इज़ द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म? एज आई टोल्ड यू, एनीवेयर, एज यू like if you are coughing, right? Nowadays pandemic is going on. If you are coughing, so with the cough some droplets falls outside, right? So there your hand palm, जो आपका हाथ है जो वो infected हो जाता है, means all the microorganisms which is inside your body that comes to your palm. That means there is a harmful microorganism, right? So this is present, जो जहाँ जहाँ पे होते हैं वो हो. Are you clear with this? So let's move to the microbes and humans. So student, as I have explained you what all the topics I am going to cover in this. So as we are coming to the introduction, as we have done the introduction, like what is microorganisms and where it is present, right? So microbes and the humans, what does mean by microbes? Abhi microbes or microorganism, that is nothing but different one and the same thing, right? So don't get confused. Microbes and humans, wow, it affect human and how it is friendly with the humans, right? So tiny living things seen under microscope, that is microbes. Microbes, that is in a simple form, we can say it. See in your page number, keep the textbook in front of your eyes, as I always say. Page number 17, a tiny living thing seen under microscope, that are microbes. That means microorganism. Till you are clear? Next, in that microbes and pathogens. One is pathogens. Small organisms are useful to us, while some other cause diseases are called pathogens. Means as I said, it is a friend as well as foe. That means जो स्मॉल ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, कुछ हमें यूजफुल भी होते हैं और किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म से हमें डिजीज़ भी होती है. मेनी ऑफ देम लाइक उससे हमें बीमारी हो सकती है. दोज आर द पाइथन, जो पैथोजन, सॉरी नॉट पाइथन, दैट इज पैथोजेंस, जो यूजफुल भी होते हैं, हार्मफुल भी होते हैं. सो टिल हियर आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद दिस, राइट? सो कमिंग टू द, अभी हम ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को डिफरेंट थिंग्स में क्लासिफाइड करेंगे. फर्स्ट, turn your page number 18. In that one chart is chart is given about the microorganism: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, virus. These everything is given that comes under microorganisms. Microorganisms means कहाँ होते हैं, किस फॉर्म्स में होते हैं, ये सब कुछ हम one by one that I am going to explain you with an example, right? सो दिस माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स के अंडर जो भी आता है, जैसे बैक्टीरिया हो, फंगी हो, प्रोटोजुआ हो, अलगाए हो, वायरस हो, ये सब मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक चार्ट मैंने दिखाया है, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी है. सो हम पहले जाते हैं बैक्टीरिया के पास. बैक्टीरिया मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. टिल हियर एवरीबॉडी इज क्लियर कि हम इसमें क्या लेने वाले हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स क्या होते हैं और वो कहाँ पर होते हैं और उसका क्लासिफिकेशन क्या होता है. ओके फाइन. सो जस्ट रीड योर page on page number 17. Just go to your page number 17 and 18. Just go through it as I am going to explain it also, and this is only for a homework. One activity is there. See, activity 1 for a homework is a very simple activity. You can found at your home, in your kitchen also. If you take a bread slide, if you have seen the moistened जो